Guys, you are going to hear some of the most amazing facts of China, like sunrise in the parts of China can be as late as 10 am. And elderly right says that if you have the parents that are over 60 years old, it is illegal not to visit them regularly. China has the world's largest economy. In 2014, experts claim that the Chinese economy has become the largest economy of the world. In this video, you guys are going to know about the amazing facts of China. But before that, subscribe to my channels and like and share my videos. So without any delay, let's start the 25 interesting facts about the Chinas. Fact number 1. Football scorer was invented here. 2.200 years ago, the game that later turned into the football scorer was invented in China. The world's first scorer ball was leather ball filled with feathers and hairs, and the game was called Tingsu, which literally means kicking ball. Fact number 2. China is the world's most popular country. With more than 1.4 billion people, China holds the world record for having the largest population on the earth. India is not far behind though, with 1.3 billion people, and they are estimated to take over the first place in few years. But to this date, China can pride themselves on having the largest population in the world. Fact number 3. The sunrise in parts of China can be as late as 10 am. Despite being a wide and large country, China only has one time zone, Standard Chinese time. This means that in the west of the China, the sunrise can be as late as 10 am. This means that when it's 6 o'clock in the nation capital, it's 6 o'clock almost 3000 miles further west in Kasanga. Fact number 4. The elderly right law. If you have the parents that are over 60 years old, it is illegal not to visit them regularly. This is definitely one of the most interesting Chinese facts, since in many other countries the elderly are being forgotten or being ignored in the rest homes. Fact number 5. China has the world's largest economy. In 2014, experts claim that the Chinese economy has become the largest economy in the world. It's the biggest exploitation and it's considered as the largest economy in the world when it comes to purchasing power priorities. However, in nominal GDP, it is the second largest economy. Fact number 6. The Chinese New Year celebration lasts for 15 days. First of all, the New Year in China and the European or American nations is not being celebrated on the same date. The first day of the year falls on the new moon between the January 21 and February 20. So it differs from years to year. Secondly, this celebration is ongoing for 15 days instead of just one that Westerners celebrates the New Year. Definitely one of the many interesting facts about the China. Fact number 7. Fortune cookies are not a traditional Chinese costume. Did you know that fortune cookies actually were invented in San Francisco? Today more than 3 billion fortune cookies are made each year, but it is not a traditional Chinese costume even if many Westerners think otherwise. Fact number 8. China has the world's largest standing army. Do you think that the United States has the largest army in the world? Guess again. That the mighty supreme power country China has 2,183,000 personnel that can send to war if they have to. It means 2,18,30,000 personnels. This means army people. That's almost 1 million more than the US Army has in active duty. Fact number 9. In 2020, it is estimated to be 30 to 40 million more Chinese men than the women. This is a big problem that China is facing due to the one-child policy that has been standard for the last decades. Since they only can have one child per family, it has led to the fact that a lot of parents want a son and not a daughter. China is still very traditional as a country, and because of parents only wanting a son, it has led to the problem that about 30 to 40 million men can't find a Chinese wife to marry because they are already taken. Fact number 10. China railways lines are so extensive and long that they could loop around the earth twice. Oh my god. China is the fourth largest country by the area in the world, but the railways are widely expanded throughout the country. In fact, the Chinese railway is so extensive that it could loop around the earth not once but twice. Fact number 11. It's mandatory for cosmetic products to be tested on animals. This might not be one of the most exciting facts about the China, but it is interesting because this is totally prohibited and banned in Europe. In 2018, there is no need to perform a test on animals because it can be both cheaper and more effective to do it on fake skin and other techniques. But still, every cosmetic products that's on the Chinese market has to go through the test on animals. I really hope China will change this, as I see China as a very progressive country in many ways, and they can become the front leader by being innovative and comprehensive. Fact number 12. A new skyscraper is built in every 5 days. No country on the earth is growing as fast as China. The cities are being transformed fast, and on average there is a new skyscraper somewhere in the country every 5 days. In a period of the year 365 days, China get at least 73 new skyscrapers. Fact number 13. Facebook has been banned in China since 2009, but there are still at least 95 million Chinese users who get by the block via various VPN services. With that said, most people use other social media channels such as the Bidu, WeChat and Sino Weibo. They even have their own versions of YouTube called Waiku Tundung. Fact number 14. Wang, Li and Zheng are the most common surnames. They make up about 21% of the total population, which means that 1 in every 5 people will have Wang, Li or Zheng as their surname, which is actually referred to as the first name in China. Fact number 15. 1 in every 5 people in the world is Chinese. If you didn't think learning Chinese was important, then you might need to rethink that thought. About 1 in 5 people worldwide are Chinese, which in a percentage equals to 20% of the total population in the world. Well, most of them resides within the People's Republic of China. It theoretically means that if you meet 5 people, at least one of them will be Chinese. 5x fun fact about China. More than 35 million people still live in caves. There is a divide between mainland China and Macau, where cars switch from left to right hand drive and vice versa. Splitting, whining, grunting and bumping are the normal behavior when you eat in China. Ice cream wasn't invented in Italy, it was invented in China 4,000 years ago. Many Chinese emperors consider themselves to be descendants of dragons. A 5x Chinese fact for kids. Table tennis is considered the national sport. Half of the world pigs lives in China. Paper money was invented here. All of China uses the same time zone despite the country size. The national animal is panda. Random facts about the China and the Chinese peoples. Fact number 1. 100 million people in China lives on less than US $1 per day. Fact number 2. China is the world's biggest exporter. Fact number 3. More than 45 billion chopsticks are being used per year. Fact number 4. A soap that's made from the bird saliva is considered a delicate bird nest soap. Fact number 5. The Chinese language is the oldest language still in use in written in the world. Fact number 6. About 4 million cats are eaten every year in China as a delicacy. Fact number 7. The Chinese consider number 8 as lucky. The reason for this is because it sounds similar to the Chinese word of prosperity. Fact number 8. 1/3 of the population can't speak Mandarin, which is the country's official language. Fact number 9. Color of the red in a sign of the happiness, and that's why it's so frequently used in the festival decoration. Fact number 10. China is the largest producer of tomatoes. General facts about the China. Below are some of the general information such as the total population, land, biggest lake, highest mountain and other general facts about the China that might be interesting to know. Total populations, oh my god, 141504598. If you can calculate it, then calculate. Capital, Beijing. Life expectancy rate 75.7 years. Highest mountain, Mount Everest. I thought this might be in Nepal. Land area 95961 km square, which is 3705407 square miles. Largest lake, Ongheng Lake. National Day 1st October. Government, United One Party Socialist Republic. Party General Secretary and President Xi Jinping currently remaining. Official language Standard Chinese. Official script language Simplified Chinese. Religion non-official religion. Official website www.government.cn. Members of No. Time zone Chinese Standard Time Zone. The biggest city in China. If you are looking for the facts about the China, it might be interesting to know which are the biggest cities. Here's the list of top 10 biggest elite Chinese ranked after the population. Tianjin, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Qingzhou, Beijing, Tianjin, Hangzhou and Sydney. That's it for today guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe to my channels and like and share these videos. Thank you.